So very good morning to one and all. In this video I'm going to explain how to do a program using the trainer kit. So in this shown trainer kit is supported by 8085 microprocessor. Using this trainer kit I'm going to demonstrate how to add the two 8-bit number from the memory location. Right, so for that we need to first of all you need to write the code of two 8-bit number uh, for addition operation. So this is the code which I am going to feed into the trainer kit. So for this trainer kit I'm the supported only for the opcode. What you are going to do is you need to write the mnemonics for the 8-bit addition. In this program I'm going to demonstrate how the data from the memory is going to consider for adding, and the result is going to store in the memory location. So this is the mnemonics for addition of two 8-bit data from the memory location, and result is stored in the memory location. So LDA 4150 is representing the memory location for feeding the first data. So after feeding the data from 4150 to accumulator, so you know that the meaning of LDA, right? After moving the data from 4150 to accumulator, I'm going to again move to accumulator to B register. After that I'm going to switch it to another memory location 4151, sorry. From the memory location I'm going to feed it to second data. Right, already the data in the accumulator is moved to B register. So B register having one data. Now I'm getting the second data in the A register. So add B, which is giving the result of addition of A and B content, and store in the accumulator. This accumulator value is again stored into specific memory location. Here represents the 4152. For after writing the mnemonics for the program, so you need to use your data sheet to convert into the opcode. You know that LDA, the opcode for LDA is 3A. So after that, the operand 4150 we split into 8-bit. So 50 is lower byte, 41 is the higher byte. So likewise you need to represents the opcode for entire mnemonics. So this opcode I am going to feed into your trainer kit to perform the addition operation. So there is some procedure we are going to follow for feeding the trainer kit. For that, first of all I am going to press the reset button. Right, it will shows microprocessor 8085. Right, so after that you need to press the sub, then you need to go for the starting address. So I am using the 4100 is the starting address. Next you need to press the next button. Right, so opcode for LDA 3A. So LDA for opcode is 3A. I'm going to enter 3A. Next 4150, so lower byte is 50. Next higher byte 41. Next then another mnemonic is move B comma A. For move B comma A, the opcode is 47. I'm going to enter into 47. Next then LDA 4151 is the mnemonics. So for LDA 3A is the opcode. Again 51 is the lower byte, 41 higher byte. Then add B. So opcode for add B is 80. I'm going to feed the 80. Then next STA. So STA instruction opcode is 32. Then I'm going to specify the memory location where the resultant data is going to store. So 4152, so lower byte is 52, then 41. So next halt is opcode is 72. Next, so now I fed the opcode for the addition of two 8-bit data from the memory location completed. Then you need to perform the execution. So for that you need to press the reset button, go 4100, and then execute. Right, actually we were missed one intermediate steps, that is we have a feed the data. So for that, so reset sub 4150 is the memory location. Here I'm going to feed the data is 25. Right, so second data in the memory location 4151. For that you need just press the next, it locate the 4151. I'm going to feed the data as 1 2. Right, so next, now I feed the data in the memory location. Next, reset go 4100, execute. Now executed, the result content is stored in the memory location of 4152. Reset sub 4152. So 37 is the result. We just trace out our data. So you just press the decrement button. So 4150 data is 2512. So 2512 37. So 37. So you just convert these data into hexadecimal and do the arithmetic operation. The result is stored in the 4152 as a 37. So that's all about the addition of two 8-bit data from the memory location. So likewise you can perform any type of arithmetic operation using this trainer kit. The thing is, you need to know the procedure, how to enter the program in the trainer kit, how to view the data, how the result you view the data as well as the result in the memory location. So thank you.